Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create YouTube channel. I click on sign in and I'm using this email address and I'm going to put my password. That's open for me. This is where we are now. I said no now, so it has taken me to YouTube. I come to this place and I go to YouTube studio, select name. What is the name I want to use in this handle? What is the name I want to use? And the name I want to use in the handle is my name. Then I come down. As you can see here, it's telling me that the handle, I have to put, your handle can only contain letters, number, full stop, or any other thing. So I should remove this space. Supposed to be Folktale by Alice. Let's see. Okay, it has accepted this one. Folktale by Alice. Then I say create channel. Let's wait for it to load. And this is where we are. It said welcome to YouTube. I say continue. It has created the channel and this is our channel page. So as you can see here, channel analytics is currently 0 subscriber. So what I will do is I have to set it up and I will go to setting. This is my setting here. It has opened. This is normal. So you have to leave it in US dollar. Then come to channel. Your channel country residence is Nigeria. I don't know where you are watching me from, but my own channel country residence is Nigeria. So I'm going to put Nigeria. Then say keyword. So this is where the main work is. You have to set up this place very well so that YouTube can easily recommend your page for people to watch. So what are we going to do? Before I started creating this page, I've already downloaded. Let me open another place to enable me to explain what I want to explain. So before I've already downloaded Video IQ, as you can see it here. So before you create your channel, make sure you download Video IQ Chrome. You can also download YouTube Buddy to enable you get analytics or also get some ideas from other content creators. At least take their own ideas small to add with your own. So here I'm going to type what I want, what I'm creating that page for. Like as you can see here, I call it a Folktale channel. From here, the name I call it when I was setting up was Folktale channel. So I'm going to type Folktale channel, or it's showing you all the whole Folktale channels, the ID, what they are creating, how it's working, how many views they are getting, and so on and so forth. So here, what I want to do with VDIQ, I will be able to see the analytics on what keyword I'm supposed to put in this place. Remember, we are looking for keywords to add here, and you have to add enough keyword and to enable YouTube to recommend your videos for others. So let's check the video that is ranking high. Let's check the video that is ranking high so that we'll know the one to choose. I'm seeing some 600 and something view, 55 something view, 12,000 view, and so on and so forth. So let's go up. Okay, there's one I saw now. Okay, this one is having 596,000 views. So let's open it and see. And because of the Video IQ I have installed, and it's showing me that this video is getting 347 views per hour. So let's open it and see. Okay, now that I have opened it, I want to see what is making the video to have that kind of view. Now this is the channel tag: African Tales, African Story, African Folktale, African Echo by, and that is the channel tag, and this is the video tag. So what I will do is I will copy. Remember to download your Video IQ extension, TubeBuddy extension, to download it in your browser to enable you and also help you to get story ideas and also to get keywords when you make a video and you want to download it. And also download Special Blade extension. Extension. This is the channel tag, and I'm going to copy it, open somewhere like my Microsoft Word, because I'm still going to work on the tags. So I will say paste here. So I have pasted it, and I will go back there, open another one. Let me start from here. I come down. Then I'm going to open this one. So this is the Folktale. This is another Folktale channel tags. if I want to see this channel tagged very well, okay, African Folk Table in there, I think I've gotten 810 subscribers. So I'm going to use the, like here, the analysis have already shown me what uh, YouTube, the YouTube channel tag is all about. And this is the video tag, and this is the channel tag. So I can copy this channel tag: folktale, story talk, folklore, African, trending, Nigerian folktale, African folktale, my Nigerian folktale, African folktale, story talks. Like this is the one I want to use. I want to copy the channel tag with. So let me go and be sure of what I want to copy. I'll come here and type UT large. So let me come and copy this video link. Come to share, copy. I want to be sure because I'm seeing 3 tags there. So I want to be sure the particular tag is supposed to be in that channel tag. So I paste it here. Put the code 583, enter. Please, if you are getting value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you'll be able to see it. And our channel analysis is up. So let me go down and see. This is the keyword. This is the tags and keyword. Like, remember, we are seeing here keywords and tags that we're supposed to use in that channel analysis. And this is the keyword used in the channel. So I'm going to copy it. Hot African folk tales. Then here, trending African stories. Then I'll copy it. Let me arrange it. And I copy it. Come to the keyword. Come to this place, keyword, and paste it. I've pasted it. So I come here and paste it. I paste it. So then I come to advance. Remember, if you make mistake, if you give this channel a wrong tag, you will be getting wrong viewers. Please make sure you give it the right tag. And I come to advanced setting. I will say I want to review this setting for every video. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that made for kids. Then come down. Automatic caption, don't show a potential inappropriate word. Yes. Come to eligibility. Allow viewers to clip my content. It's an intermediate feature. Video over 15 minutes. Custom thumbnail, and this one says increase daily view, upload, and live stream. So this one I will have to verify my phone number here, which I'm going to be doing later. Then advanced feature, also to verify this, I have to verify it with my video. Either I made a video or I upload my valid ID. Then this place I'll have access for it. So I'll click on save. Come back to setting. We're already done with this. I'll come to upload default. Now I'm going to put a title that describes my video. Like in this place, anytime you upload video, this place is supposed to put the title of your video, which I'm going to leave it because I'm not putting any video. And here is the space for you to put your description, which I'm going to also paste that keyword I copied. I'm going to also paste it here. So this one will always be here. Anytime I put my description, this one is always here. Then I can now add whatever other information I want here. Whatever information I want here. So I can also still add other tags. Let's check more tags. No, folktale don't need don't have different tags because they are all one story. So I'm going to still add the tags here. So I'll check it to see if there is a repetition in my tag. So I come down and select visibility as public. Then still add the tag, that tag I put before. I'll still need to add it there, which is this tag. I copy it. I'm coming to paste. I'll go back to this place in this tag and paste it. I paste it here. Then come to advanced setting again. Allow comments. Say here, we'll leave this place like that. Category. entertainment, language. Is it language and this thing? Um, language, English, English, United States, no caption, title, still put English, United States, calm down, comment is on, so show how many views is also on. Then come to permission. I'm the I'm the admin of the group of the channel, so is you're going to leave it like this. If I want to add somebody, I can click on invite and put the person's email address and grant the person access. And when I'm granting the person access, select for me, I will only choose the person as manager. Manager can view everything, manage permission, go live and create, edit and delete content. Or I'll put the person as editor, can view everything, go live, create and edit content, can't manage permission. You have seen. If I want to employ the person, either if I make him a manager, he will create, edit and delete content. But if I make him editor, he will only go live, create and edit content, but he cannot delete any content from the page. If I make him limited editor, same permission as editor, but cannot view revenue. So the person now, I don't want the person to see how much I will be earning in this channel. So I can make the person a limited editor or just a viewer or a limited viewer. But I don't want to make anybody any manager, so I have to close this space. Then community guideline, manage moderator. There's nobody I'm going to add here. So we click this one. Okay, allow other creators to send their viewers to any of your live stream. Your content can only be selected for a live redirect if it's upcoming or in progress. Then I come down here, say block words. Words I don't want to see. I don't want somebody to say other things. I don't want them to say. And also I don't want people to send a link to my channel. I can block it. Then I will say I'll come to default. Hold potential inappropriate chat message for review. Okay. Or I can still leave it. Then come to agreement. All use of services is subjected to the YouTube terms of service. And I say save. So here come our YouTube channel. Please, if you are getting value in this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the description bell so that when I post the next video, you'll be able to see it.